would have thought these waste could be transformed into wonders? Hey Eco Warriors! Welcome back to my channel. Join me to a new adventure to recycle and make a better planet. Because we've heard about the Eco-Bricking Project, a municipal initiative promoting eco-bricking as a practical waste management solution and encouraging community participation in environmental sustainability, that will be our next target for our Waste to Wonders adventure. Here in the Office of Municipal Environment and Natural Resources of Bayan ng Bungabong. So nakita ko po sa page ng Menro na kayo po ay nag-i-encourage sa ating mga mamamayan ng Bungabong para magdala po dito ng plastic bottles na naglalaman din po ng plastic waste. So nakita ko po doon na bawat tatlong 330 ml po na bote na may lamang mga plastic, kagaya po ng mga plastic ng shampoo, plastic ng kape, ay pinapalitan niyo po yun ng isang pad ng papel from grade 1 to grade 6. So gusto ko lang pong malaman kanino pong idea yun.
Bali po ang idea na yun ay yung Republic Act 9003 na naglalayon sa mga adhikain ng Republic Act 9003 yung pangangalaga sa kalusugan ng publiko at kapaligiran. Para makahikayat kami, matulungan na mabawasan yung mga kalat sa kalsada.
Okay, so napakagandang idea po talaga na kumbaga yung pong project nila na yon, hindi na kailangang pilitin o hindi kailangang gawin ng sapilitan ng mga residente ng bayan ng Bungabong. Kasi napakaganda ng ipapalit nila. Biruin mo, basura na, pero pwedeng palitan ng kapaki-pakinabang na bagay, kagaya ng mga school supplies at kagaya ng sinabi ni Sir, meron pang bigas. So who would have thought that this waste could be transformed into wonders?
Ito, pag magkaroon kami ng ang kuryente, yan, gilingin, papadaanin dyan, hulma.
Okay, so dito po ginigiling lahat. Tapos ito yung hulmahan.
Oo, kung anong gusto mo.
Okay.
At ito rin ang ginigiling namin mga bubong. Yan. Yan yung mga bubog na...
So ito yung mga giniling na bubog.
Oo.
Ayan. Yung mga tarpaulin. Did you know that eco-bricks originated in Guatemala as a method of repurposing non-recyclable plastic waste into durable building blocks by densely packing clean, dry plastic into plastic bottles, thereby containing plastic and reducing environmental pollution? Yes, you heard it right. The Eco-Bricks project serves as an educational tool, raising awareness about plastic consumption and its environmental consequences. The process encourages reflection on personal consumption habits and inspires individuals to adopt more sustainable practices. Educational programs integrated with eco-bricking further enhance understanding of waste management and environmental responsibility. So ayun, maraming salamat po. And once again po, congratulations and thank you po. Napakaganda po ng inyong advocacy. Thank you so much, sir.